Ohio to Work was launched in the third quarter of 2020, and really the initiative is about connecting displaced workers into employment opportunities with Ohio companies.
I think that Ohio to Work came at a perfect time. With the unknown of COVID, I think a lot of people were able to reset, and not just job seekers reset. I think businesses reset too.
Ohio to Work added the fuel for our community to take not just manufacturing, but IT and healthcare and the sector partnerships to the next level. We needed a unifying function that Jobs Ohio and Ohio to Work brought to the ecosystem that really connected us.
And with the Ohio to Works initiative, it really allowed us the opportunity to bring together these organizations and help broker the language and build those relationships.
Sinclair Community College leveraged the network to look at prioritizing what are the top 10 in-demand jobs we want to focus on for our strategic planning moving forward. In the past, we would work internally to figure that out. And by inviting the Dayton Development Coalition, one of our key partners, into a planning session with vice presidents and deans at the college, we got a much broader, richer conversation about what are the greatest needs for employers in our region for the next 5 to 10 years.
Ohio to Work pulled together training providers, service partners, and then also the actual employers to provide opportunities for job seekers to get the skills, the training that they needed. Ohio to Work also presented the youth science assessment. And then with that program, it also had employers already signed in. So if a job seeker had completed that assessment and they were a match for an employer, it matched them right there.
They could take an assessment and learn, this is my aptitude. This is where I shine. So now I'm going to sit down with a coaching fellow and find out, what are the careers that match my aptitude?
There were so many milestones and great achievements that occurred with the support of Ohio to Works. Many of them were individual accomplishments with job seekers who maybe this is their first time into the workforce, or they had left the workforce due to COVID and were re-entering, finding new positions. And with the support of the Ohio to Work coaches and organizations, were able to find new opportunities.
And so Ohio to Work gave us an opportunity to specifically call out individual populations and say, you belong here, you have a role here, and here's the training you need to get a really good job that will lead to a family-sustaining wage.
And I think another thing with employers is that they know that if this person was working through this initiative, they were already committed to the job search, and they had the systems and the different programs that we have to support our job seekers to make sure even after employment that we're still working with them to remove barriers so that they remain successful in those positions.
At the heart of Ohio to Work, it's about connecting all of the fabric, the training provider, the coach, and the employment opportunity.
If Ohio to Work is about hope and raising people up, we can't do it alone. That's what this project showed us. We need our partners like Ohio Manufacturers Association. We need our employer partners. We need our government partners. We need Jobs Ohio as a partners. That collaboration, that is the only way we're going to be able to fill the huge demand that manufacturing has over the next 20 years and fulfill the promise of the Intels and the battery plants and all of our small companies that need that talent. I'm really hopeful for the future because of this collaboration and thankful for OTW for this.